Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see, got a new panel here. I saw some of you guys noticed it right over in front of that when I was showcasing my FT4 that I made. It's a system sensor, PDRP-2001. It's a pre-action deluge. Could be a fire alarm panel, but it's mostly, general name is a suppression panel. They can do a lot of things. Made by System Sensor, so I thought that was pretty cool. I don't think too many people have these panels. I never saw one on YouTube, so hey, that's pretty cool. First one on YouTube, or there probably is one on YouTube. I have no idea. I never really looked at it before. But this is the inside. As you can see, the board, it looks like normal MS5UD because it is missing the other 5 zones, but I should say 4 zones because this is a 6 zone panel. It's 4 NACs, and as you can see, the power supply is a 7 amp. So we got filtered 7 amp 24 volt DC across 4 NACs. We got an ANN bus, no remote sync. We got 3 relays, aux power. As you can see, it doesn't have the same stuff a normal 10UD or 5UD would have, like the dialer and all the equipment for that. As you can see, a whole bunch goes into that. Yeah, it's got a whole bunch of features in programming. I might show that. Here's the diagram. As you can see, it also has 3 extra LEDs. You got abort in the middle, pre-discharge, and discharge. Right now, the only trouble is no battery, because I really don't feel like putting batteries in right now for this showcase. Anyway, let's get into the fun part, the programming menu. Takes the Firelight key. It also has the same passwords as the Firelight, which for programming is all 0s, maintenance is 1s. So I'll just scroll through. And that's about it. So for the first one, FACP config, it's got templates. So that, I'm gonna assume, is for different programming that this has built in for suppression panels. It has 7 of them. You know what? I might. Oh, look at that. That's cool. So it tells you what it is. Let's say no. Let me see what 2 did. Oh, wow, single hazard. Dual hazard combined. Split release. I should read up on this because I really don't know what half of this is, but it is very cool. Well, if I took a minute to... Oh wait, I already saw that. Oh, interesting. Low pressure. So that would be for like dry system, I want to say. Alright. So I guess there isn't too much in templates, but still pretty cool. Wait, I want to see what custom is. Oh. Nothing. Input zones. We got 6. Wait, wrong button. Nope, wrong button again. Like I said, we have 6 zones. Let's edit this. Show you guys what there is. What's that? Oh. So, a whole bunch of options to choose from in programming. I think right now I have it saved as a pull station. Yeah. I think zone 2 is smoke detected. Yeah. But yeah, that's all of that is the same for each zone. A whole bunch of options. I thought that's pretty cool. Let's check out the next. So 3. So you could choose for what it can do, because these NACs, they could actually do different things. Just like a Silent Night panel, it doesn't have to be just a NAC, it could be aux power, but this does other stuff. So you got release 1 circuit, 2, alarm NAC, water flow NAC, release stage coded. Yeah, so you got a little bit of the same stuff as a normal Firelight panel, but also a few added things like this and this. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's like that for all 4. Cross input zones. So this panel is groups. That's interesting. So then I would put like different zones on here for cross input, and I think if both of those are activated, then it goes into whatever you want it to go into. But correct me if I'm wrong, I don't really know too much about this. Still learning as I go. We program the relays, that's cool. Make it latching. That's very cool. Yeah, 3 relays. System setup, that's gonna be, yeah, it's the same thing. I don't think anything changed on this from what your normal Firelight panels would say. What we got here? You got A&N bus, same thing, I believe. Yeah, same thing, nothing changed in there. You got the same options. Got walk test, cleared program. Okay, so yeah, that's all that. Let it reset. These 2 don't light up for when resetting. I don't think discharge will when I reset, does it? Oh, it does. Imagine these are broken. Oh, whatever. I have no idea. I don't think they're supposed to light up. I'd have to program my abort button into this. Do a whole mock setup of what would happen if, you know, it goes into pre-discharge mode, and then yeah, like a whole setup. I might actually do that. Pause the video and wire something up, because I did show you guys pretty much everything. Yeah, I think I will. I'll press drill first though. Yeah. So your NACs would be going off right now. Yeah, everything is the same. It doesn't say what kind of panel it is when it resets, which is pretty interesting. And when I had the ANN 80 connected to it, it didn't say any of the same stuff. It didn't say the version or anything. It would just do its little thing, which is display the characters on the screen, the blank characters, whatever it's called, and then all the lights would come on. Yeah, basically a normal reset, and then it just went back to normal. Yeah, enough talking. I don't know what I'm saying right now, so I'm gonna do a little setup, wiring. So yeah, be right back. Alright, so I got a mini set up here. I'm just gonna be using a jumper to short the zones, but I programmed everything in. Probably didn't do it right, but I got the basic stuff down. I believe 2 is smoke detector, so only that will go off. Oh wait, no, that's not the right one. 2, 3. Yeah. Alright. So that was 1, 2, 3. Wait. So this one should also be smoke detector. Yep. And the last one is manual release. So I'm just gonna reset this. This is just supervisory. I think, yeah, tamper switch. Self-restoring. I know zone 1, it's pull station, but it activates it all as well. So I might as well. So I thought that was pretty cool how it says discharging on the bottom like that. Unfortunately, I don't know how to get pre-discharge working. It's probably easy and I'm probably just missing it, but yeah. Didn't see a abort in the programming either. So I just thought it was remote something disconnect, which is this disable release, but that would just usually disable the circuit, I guess. So if I did do that, wait, let me pause this. Alright, so yeah, it does disable that from going off. If I take it off though, I think it'll go off. Yeah, there it goes. So that is pretty cool. That is very cool, guys. Expect more on this panel. Maybe I'll put it up or something. But yeah, I don't think I mentioned that it also takes the firelight key. Maybe I did mention it, I don't know. But yeah, that is it. The system sensor PDRP-2001. See ya.